Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question which says pollen sacs are broken by option A tapetum, option B line of dehiscence, option C sporogenous tissue, option D none of the above. So let us understand the question. The question says pollen sacs are broken by. So how are the pollen sacs broken to release the pollen grain? So that is the question. Now what are these pollen sacs? Where can you find them? Pollen sacs are nothing but the pollen bags, or you can say the microsporangium. Microsporangium. Sporangia is the plural one because each anther has 4 sacs, okay, 4 sacs or 4 microsporangia. And within the microsporangia, there are different layers of tissues which are there, okay. So there are outer walls are there, endothelium is there, and then you have, middle layers you have, and then tapetum you have. So let us see how are the layers of microsporangia. You have outer wall, okay. Then you have endothelium, which is made up of single row of cells. Then you have the middle layers, okay, which are protective in nature. Then further, there are special type of cells which are called as, or a tissue which is called as a tapetum. Okay, tapetum is also called as the nursing tissue, which will nurse the pollen grains. Okay, and deep inside there is sporogenous tissue. Now, this sporogenous tissue, it consists of certain cells which are called as microspore mother cells. Okay, and these mother cells, okay, they will give rise to haploid, that is the tetrad, okay, tetrad pollen, okay, which consists of 4 haploid cells which are attached together. This is a tetrad, okay, and these will further give rise to individual haploid cells. These are the young pollen grains. Okay. Now this entire process happens within the anther. So suppose this is the anther, okay, and this is the filament. So it is happening within the anther. So in the anther, the two lobes are attached by something called as the line of dehiscence. So there is line of dehiscence which will rupture during release of the pollen grain. Okay, so this line of dehiscence is the one which ruptures, and it will crack, and it will help to open up or breaking up the pollen sac or the microsporangium. Okay, and that is how the pollen grains are released. So let us see. Option A says tapetum. No, tapetum is a nutritious tissue which will nourish the pollen grain. Option B says line of dehiscence. Yes, that is the answer, because that is the one which will help in rupturing of the anther wall and further release of the pollen grains. Option C says sporogenous tissue. No, sporogenous tissue does not help in rupturing. It is helpful in the production of microspores. Now option D says none of the above, which is ruled out. So the correct option is line of dehiscence. So that is the one which helps during release of the pollen. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B. That is line of dehiscence. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you everyone.